The time has come for CORE to welcome you back to Austin. And if you know anything about CORE, you know we don't do anything small.
It's time for The Collective, a conference experience by CORE, being held at the live music capital of the world, Austin, Texas.
Join us July 24th to the 26th for an evolved experience unlike any other.
The Collective is an innovative event bringing together the industry's finest property damage restoration contractors, insurance carriers, and commercial clientele, and the largest industry marketplace, all under one roof.
Join us for 3 days of sights, sounds, and excitement as we bring the industry's most innovative conference to life once again.
This year, you can expect
over 700 incredible attendees,
an industry marketplace and technology hub with over 90 vendors,
commercial clients and insurance carrier partners, and so much more.
If you're seeking the best in education, the industry's most innovative technology, and 3 days of back-to-back networking, then The Collective is right for you.
So remember, space is limited and The Collective happens only once a year. So do not miss out on securing your seat today.
For more information and to reserve your spot, visit us online at thecollectivebycore.com.